This is the condo way for the Manhattan Parkway. This type of we made as vertically. It wasn't a reason. But in here, and this is the express air vent. The express it. So this aircon will be controlled as it here. Okay, I want to do this. Okay, let's go to the CR. But in here is the bowl, and this is the particular of this American standard. There's a giant stove, the switch button, and of course will be shower stuff in here. You can like this. Your shower toilet over here. So this is the light right there, and no one. And this is the exhaust fan for Mitsui. There we here. A type of this kind of walls this here. This type of right there. This is the flash bowl to make clear its sense here. And so far, you have a mirror here. Okay. Thank you for the series of the condo. And I will gonna hope to enjoy my video. Thank you so much. God bless.